Everyone, I hope you enjoyed my slightly pretentious arty-farty intro. I thought I'd have a bit of fun with this one. That piece of video was shot in a little town called Midhurst in the heart of rural England. Hubby took me out for the day for my birthday. As we were both working on my actual birthday, he took me out the day after and treated me to a very nice lunch and a look around a nice little English town. Whilst we were there, I had a number of ladies compliment me on my dress. And I've also had a comment on my Instagram picture, someone asking where I got my dress. Well, people, it is not a dress. It's 2 skirts and a top. The skirt, I'm sure you'll remember from this video. Here I've put the swag skirt over a raw silk one. Hope you can see this. I actually like this better than the velvet version that sent me on this path in the first place. Yes, it's the lace swag skirt from my DIY video. Underneath, I have this. This is the raw silk skirt that you will have seen under the lace swag. It is very, very full. Multiple panels. Don't know if you can see the panel seams there. Just on a thin elastic waistband, I have had to pinch and pleat. This skirt only ever gets worn as an underskirt. It's quite flimsy, but it's very nice, very comfortable, very cool in the summer, being silk, warm in the winter as well. The top you may remember from a haul video back in January. Another Deborah purchase, quite a soft round neck, lacy sleeves and ruching at the waistline. This is quite a nice soft cotton chiffon stuff. The sleeves are open, about 3/4 length. Now then, they are elasticated at the bottom. Well, I think it's sewn in, but I can sort that out. I'm having rid of that. And also this elasticated ruching here, I will lose that as well. Well, as you heard in that little clip, I had every intention of adapting it, but it went on my pile of things to be altered, which then went into my cupboard of much fabric, and there it languished, and to be honest, I forgot all about it until I decided that I wanted to wear the lace skirt combination to go out for the day, and I was wondering what I had to go with it. I then remembered that top and thought that it would look really nice because the lace sleeves would match. So it has been altered. So I have taken the elastic out of the sleeves, and as you can see, I've just hemmed them using some bias binding. The sleeve itself ended up being really wide, which I don't like particularly, so I've just taken the sleeve in a little bit, and I've also just put a small stitch halfway up the gap so that my elbow doesn't keep falling out. And I have unpicked all of the ruching elastic. You can still see where it was, but this gets tucked into a skirt top so you can't see it. I'm much happier with it now. I think it's much more wearable for me now. So here is the whole outfit in combination, and until I see you again, take care. Bye.